The rapid loss of fertile agricultural lands in India is alarming. ISRO's latest satellite mapping found that 9.78 crore hectares of land lost its fertility in India in the recent years. At this pace, there would not be enough agricultural land to feed the growing population in future. To counter this, and following our credo of reviving Vedic farming practices, to help people realize the significance of natural farming, we are presenting organic agricultural land banks near river banks that are close to forest. Our agricultural land banks would be employing pure, traditional, and Vedic methods of farming. We are into natural farming since 5 years and have been cultivating more than 200 acres. We strictly adhere to zero use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Our land banks would grow all the vegetables, food grain, and fruits a typical family would need. Pure, truly organic vegetables, fruits, and food grain that are full of life energy from your own farm, right onto your plate for a lifetime. Isn't that exciting? Investing in our land banks is not just investing in your own health through natural food and invaluable land, but a service to nature and the nation's food security. Come, join hands with the movement to restore your health, to revive soil fertility, to let Mother Nature take a sigh of relief from the rampage we have been doing in the name of agriculture. Food that is good with nature's life force is a blessing. Let your children enjoy food that's truly natural, without chemicals. Agriculture Land Bank. Planet Green.